Good morning and welcome in a brand new video. It's a beautiful day in Ibiza. It's the second day of our vacation already and we're on our way to breakfast. It's 9, almost 9 I think. We had a peaceful morning. We're super tired and yeah, today is gonna be a relaxing day at the pool and I'm gonna take you with me. A tour of breakfast, tour of lunch, tour of dinner. So yeah, let's go. I have some dessert right now. We're now at lunch and I don't know if I filmed everything, but I'm now eating dessert, so yeah, it's very delicious already. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon and we are on our way to the food corner, and that's a place where you can get snacks like hot dog, fries, I don't know, salads, much more things. So yeah, we are hungry it's now dinner time. I'm completely dressed and the last clip I filmed was when we went to food corner. And yeah, we also booked an excursion today to see the south side of Ibiza, so that's very exciting. It's for Thursday, yes, Thursday. And now we can go eat dinner. So the first full day in Ibiza is almost over. So I'm gonna show you my outfit now. This is my outfit. Do the light on. I think these pants are 2-3 years old now, and then this top and a black under top. So yeah, this is the fit. And slippers are from Primark. Earrings, necklace, bracelets on both sides are from Shein. And also the hair clip, I don't know if you can see it, is from Shein. So this is my whole outfit. We're on our way to our favorite sunset spot in Ibiza. It's Hostal La Torre. You can watch it from the hostel, the sunset. You can go through the hostel and watch it on the rocks, or you can go see it on the viewpoint next to the hostel. It's also very pretty there, so you have two options. And it's worth it because in the summer the sun sets on that side of Ibiza,